Breathe new life into supersizing and growing your business. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here. Our idiom or expression today is to breathe new life into. So to breathe new life into something. A lot of times we think about it as resuscitating people that have, had an accident or expired. We think of it as, I need a magnifying glass, of course, putting energy into something, adding value to something. And of course, that has everything to do with building and growing and supersizing our businesses, right? Some days it's exciting and everything is going our way when we're building our business. Other days, not so much. Stuff happens, right? Stuff happens along the way, things that we never could have anticipated. And sometimes we want to just throw in the towel, but we never do because we're committed to getting the result and creating the business that we want to see in the world. So this is an idiom and an expression that comes around from about the 16th century. It was actually used in the Canterbury Tales by Geoffrey Chaucer, who is known for writing Canterbury Tales. That was when it was first published, but it of course can be traced back to ancient Greece. Ancient Greece, which had the philosophy and the belief that our soul and our spirit was contained somehow in our breath. So as long as people were breathing, their soul and their spirit remained inside their body. And once they stopped breathing, their soul and their spirit, went to wherever it is that it goes. So it's a thought, and breathing new life into something and bringing it back again has been around for centuries. Now, it can be used, and it's often used nowadays to describe relationships. Any kind of relationship, friendships, romantic relationships. Sometimes they need a little bit of life and pizzazz built back into them. Our businesses definitely do. Anything that ebbs and flows, anything that grows requires energy and inputs, and those energy and inputs are often breath, because breathing is the lifeblood, not the lifeblood because our blood is our lifeblood, but breathing is critical to deliver everything through our blood and through our bodies, so that we can be in physically good shape. We're focusing on physical well-being this month for the Get Your Goals annual challenge. So I try to tie that into our idiom for the day. So breathing new life into something. I've had to breathe new life into a lot of projects, a lot of people. Sometimes people, when they come and they work with us in our organizations, they're super duper gung-ho in the beginning, and then stuff happens and the culture beats them up a little bit, and we need to reinvigorate them and help motivate them, or help them find their intrinsic motivation to be and create a better version of themselves. So love to know, how have you seen this expression used as you've been building and growing your business? How do you breathe new life and re-energize yourself when it comes to building and growing and supersizing your business? Share in the comments below, and I will of course be with you tomorrow with another interesting idiom. What does it mean? Where does it come from? And how might you use it to grow and build your business right now? Have an awesome day. Bye.